Good morning, guys. Today is February 10th, and it's the day we are headed down to pick up the Minneapolis Moline, and we're also taking home the Massey Harris 33 that's down there. So bringing 2 tractors back, but should be an exciting day. You know, it's going to be a busy day. I have to be back here by 4 o'clock this evening because we have a company dinner for my fiance, so I gotta be back for that. But it's gonna be a very fast-paced drive down, load them up, drive back, unload them, drop off trailers, and get myself cleaned up and into a suit and tie. So let's see, anything else before we head on the road? We did accept an offer on our townhouse, so the townhouse is technically sold, and we submitted an offer on another house that was accepted. So fingers crossed, everything, all the stars align. Everybody say some prayers for us, because hopefully by March 30th, that's our anticipated closing date. Hopefully by March 30th we'll be out of here and into a new place with some land, and probably be recruiting some help for pole barn building. But that's really all we got for updates for now on the house situation. Let's get on the road and go get us a couple more tractors. Minneapolis loaded up. Had some trouble with the winch and the jack on the front of the trailer, but everything's loaded up on this one. Next we got to do this Massey, so we'll set everything up so you guys can kind of watch that process. There.
Otherwise,
Tony, brand new thing.
Menards 11% off. Yeah. Oh, we don't want to save the bag. Ready?
Okay.
Heavy.
Really?
You're off. Alright, Vicky soda.
Now we're good.
Is there a brake on this one yet? Throttle, clutch, brakes.
There.
Must be that grease gun quick.
Grease gun. No fitting up there to grease.
Oh, down here. They're all over. Bolts and spark plugs. Can't even get up the hill. Get some light, that's all.
Well, don't stop. That's the problem. Keep going.